Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify phone number in Apple ID. If you're using any Apple ID and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to verify your phone number, you see the error which is cannot verify your phone number. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with the stable and the strongest network connection. Then go back, open your settings app, and here go for general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. You just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your software. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you have to go back and you have to retry to check which issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to sign out from the Apple ID and then sign in back to check if there will be any software glitch or any server glitch. It will be fixed in this app. So tap on Apple ID here, scroll down, look for sign out option, and just try to sign out from your Apple ID. So after signing out, you have to re-sign in, and after re-sign in, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your network settings. So go to your settings app, go to general, scroll down, look for transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to use a different number to verify yourself on your Apple ID. Or you can try to wait for almost 24 hours because sometimes the number needs time to be unlocked by your carrier. So you just have to wait for almost 24 hours without retrying. So after 24 hours, you have to retry and your issue will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if you're facing the issue that you could not verify your phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.